How to create an album on Facebook business page. For that purpose, head over to Facebook. And once you're on Facebook, you'll have to make sure that you have switched your account to your business page. Now head over to your business page by clicking on the three dots right here. And then you're going to click on to your page. Now once you're onto your page, you're going to head over to the photos section right here. As you can see, I don't really have many photographs uploaded onto the photos section, which is why there's not many showing up here. But then you're going to click on see all right here. Now in the see all option, you have the option to click on create album. And once you create the album, you can choose the name for the album that you want to display, and the fact that you can also choose if it's going to be public or not, to see if it's anyone on or off Facebook that can access all the photographs onto your public page. Because anyone off of Facebook, now that it's kept up public, it's also going to be showing into the Google's SEO searches because you allow it to be that way. Let's name it as portfolio. And I simply created the album. The album was successfully created. Now all I have to do is add photographs into it. And yeah, this is it. A simple, quick, and easy way to create an album on Facebook business page.